Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to sync all your drawings on TradingView across multiple charts and timeframes. This feature helps keep our analysis consistent and saves us a lot of time. Now let's get started. Syncing all drawings on TradingView helps us maintain consistent technical analysis across multiple timeframes, layouts, and devices. It ensures that lines, shapes, and indicators drawn on one chart automatically appear on others. This saves time, makes multi-time frame analysis more efficient, and prevents repetitive work. If you want to learn, come along and follow each step. Even if you're new, you can follow all the steps. First, go to the browser, open TradingView.com. Once you're redirected to the main page, log into your account. After logging in, go to the upper part of the page. Here, you'll see the products. In the lower part of the products, you can see Super Charts. Let's click this Super Charts option. This section allows us to see the activities of all the markets. It's where we can put all our drawings, indicators, and all the indices, stocks, and futures. Today, we will show how to copy all our drawings into another multi-frame setup. To add multi-frames or other charts, just go to this section. As you can see, there are 16 different types of patterns and layouts. You can choose any of these, but for now, this feature is for premium users only. This is one of the benefits of having a premium account. We can link up to 16 charts. For now, let's use one other chart as a test to see how to sync all the drawings. For example, let's make a drawing of a long position. Here, let's put a long position drawing. Or let's add another drawing here. Let's put another drawing, like text. Let's take this as an example. If we want this drawing to appear in as many charts as we want, just go back to the layouts. You can find this in the upper right corner of the page, under Layout Setup. Click it, and at the bottom, you will see the option to click Sync in Layout. Now, you can sync symbols, intervals, crosshair, time, date, and phrase. All our drawings in the first chart will be synced to all our layouts. That's how we sync all our drawings in TradingView. This feature helps us stay consistent across timeframes without redrawing levels again and again. By syncing all our drawings, we save time, reduce mistakes, and keep our analysis clean and organized. Make it a habit to use this with market marking, key labels, and trends to trade smarter and stay organized.